to Papaya class assembly. Before Papaya class is going to present their assembly, I'm just going to ask you a question. You probably know this question, the answer to this question. What are we celebrating this week? What is the special event that we're celebrating? Put your hand up if you know. Emily? Chinese New Year, exactly, Chinese New Year. You could tell me which year of the Zodiac are we celebrating this year? Right? Which year? Which Zodiac animal are we celebrating this year? Right? Not quite, but well done. Good try. The goat, exactly, the goat. Well done. So Papaya class is here today to tell you the story of the Chinese Zodiac and how the Jade Emperor decided to order the animals. But before that, I'm just going to show you a few things, a few slides of all the wonderful learning that we've been doing this term, especially this term. In literacy, this term, during this term, children listened to and read a modern dragon story, A Dragon Machine by Helen Ward. And they also found out how the Jade Emperor decided to put the order of the animals of the Chinese Zodiac, which is why we're presenting today the Chinese assembly. Students of Papaya class also wrote fantastic dragon stories and acted them out, and they created a shadow puppet theatre and used shadow puppets to tell their stories. Here is one of our shadow puppets. This one is Angie's, called The Night. And children really enjoyed making their own puppets and composing their stories and acting them out, performing in our special theatre. At the same time, of course, they learned how shadows form, because this was part of our IPC topic. In IPC, during this term, Seeing the Light, we focused on what causes day and night, learned about different sources of light in our school and local area, and we also experimented with how to show light and dark in our drawings and paintings. Here's some example. We enjoyed using flashlights and torches in our garden. We even had a lesson in our garden about how what causes day and night, and we also pretended that we were in space when we were inside. This is one of the ways that we showed how to show light and dark in our artwork. This is our day and night landscapes. And this is our ICT work, which Miss Armenia did with the children during our computer club. And of course, our fantastic class trip to the Science Museum, which was fantastic, and children got to do lots of experiments, and we even went to the planetarium and we watched a film how the solar system was born. Okay. So now, children of Papaya going to tell you the story of the Chinese Zodiac, and we are going to use our very own shadow puppet theatre. Right. Because
Western dragons, or fierce, fire-breathing dragons, they carry off princesses and eat people. They are greedy creatures. They collect gold treasure in dens under the earth. A Western dragon will eat anything. They are always hungry. Dragons live in caves, mountains, or lakes. They were very active in the Middle Ages when brave knights challenged them to battle.
Dragons are of course legendary and
dragon. His name is Skullcrusher. He can fly.
This is my western dragon. His name is called Oscar. He can move London. This is my western dragon. Her name is Papaya. She can blow stars, and when it's dark, her eyes light up. This is my western dragon. His name is Fire. He can blow. This is my western dragon. Her name is Moon. She can make stars. This is my western dragon. He makes fire. He can blow fire. This is my western dragon. His name is Fire. He can fly and blow fire.
This is my rainbow dragon. Her name is Fluttershy. She can fly in the sky making rainbows.
This is my western dragon. Her name is Twilight Sparkle. She can blow some song.
This is my western dragon. His name is Light. He can blow fire.
This is my western dragon. Her name is Rainbow Dash. She could sleep under the bed. This is my rocky dragon. Her name is Rainbow. She can fly to the dragonland. My shiny dragon. He is named Dragon. He can go fire.
Thank you very much. After the introduction of our dragon that we made in IPC, now we're going to have the Chinese Zodiac story.